We're looking westward on Precision 18 radar. This is Champaign, Illinois. Down here is Attica. This is Hoopston. And check out these towering storms that were in central Illinois. That storm right there did produce a tornado and a lot of large hail and wind damage near Peoria. But notice how they're way up at 50,000 feet and then they completely collapse. Even a few of these storms near Champaign completely collapse. We even had a tornado watch warranted for these kind of supercells developing here, but the reason being is the cap. It's very warm and unstable near the ground. We've got plenty of shear. We've got a warm front draped, enhancing that shear in the area, and an old outflow boundary, a boundary of the rain-cooled air in the area. So that is all in place for a few supercell thunderstorms. The thing is, the hot, dry air south of our area, I mean, it's 100 degrees in parts of the southeast with a lot of drought right now. And this is moving up and over the area, so any storm that tries to build on any of these boundaries, the outflow boundary or the warm front, just completely collapses. But it does appear getting into the evening, this zone from Newton, Jasper, western Pulaski, northwest Benton County, and southwestward, this zone will likely see the cap erode some. And with the warm front kind of laid up in this area, I think a few supercell storms may form in this zone and could impact the northwest part of the viewing area. This would be pretty much now right up to midnight. Now, the Storm Prediction Center still has the slight risk from Attica to Lafayette to Logansport and Peru for a few scattered severe storms, but I'm really focusing in on the northwest part of the viewing area. We'll watch everybody else. We'll still keep an eye on it, but it's the northwest part that we're looking for the potential of some severe weather, tornado, wind, hail, all of equal potential. And then after midnight, we're all dry. Everything shifts northward. It's a warm night with lows around 70 to the low 70s, followed by a high tomorrow of 87. And we'll see another outflow boundary move southward from a bunch of storms up by Chicago. And that boundary will flare up a few more storms tomorrow afternoon with winds out of a southwest direction. And with that, much of the area is at a marginal risk for severe weather, though I think that slight risk may be expanded a little bit with equal threats for wind, hail, or a brief tornado. There are the highs from 83 at Winnemac to 87 Lafayette tomorrow, 88 at Covington, and about 84 degrees at Logansport. On Sunday, rain and storms through the morning hours, isolated severe risk, and then we taper more to just some showers for a while in the afternoon, then dry out with a high of 77 as the cold front comes through. Winds go to the north-northwest, and during the morning hours, it's a marginal risk of severe weather, Monticello and south. That means a couple isolated severe storms can't be ruled out, main threat being wind, and there are those highs in the mid to upper 70s on Sunday. So here's Weather Team 18 Precision Cast. Again, it'll be the northwest areas we watch this evening for a few storms of severe risk, and then the outflow boundary from all the storms by Chicago moves right here tomorrow afternoon. We're dry until tomorrow afternoon, then a few storms flare up right along that boundary. We may see some more storms come in by Sunday morning. This is Sunday morning, a line of storms comes through the area, and then eventually that will all taper off to just a few showers Sunday afternoon. Isolated storm or two on Memorial Day, otherwise we're dry. We're dry into Tuesday before more severe weather risk returns by the middle part of next week. So, all that said, on that weather story, 87 to 77 Saturday to Sunday, 80s for Memorial Day, 88 Tuesday, hot. Heat indices low to mid-90s on Tuesday, and then we're back to 82 on Wednesday with showers and storms. We dry out and turn a little cooler Thursday and into Friday. It's fun to watch the weather. Always little things going on that affect our weather here.
You think that we'll get that race in on Sunday?
Oh boy, it's going to be